all sorts of advice on getting rid of acne. When you are an adult, the last thing you want to be worried about is acne. Acne does not only affect teenagers, adults can suffer from acne too. It can be an embarrassing problem when your skin breaks out. This video will give you some great ideas for controlling your adult acne. The best tip to avoid acne is to keep your face clean. Acne forms from oils that build up on the skin and cause irritations. If you clean your face once or twice a day, you can wash away these oils and avoid acne and keep your face looking great. If you wear makeup or a cleanser that is oil-based, stop using it. These oil-based products are horrible for acne. Since your body already produces oils naturally, adding more oils to your skin will only serve to increase your chances of developing acne problems. Instead, look for oil-free products. A paste of nutmeg and milk makes an effective treatment for acne. Combine ground nutmeg with some room temperature milk until it forms a paste. Apply this to the areas affected by acne and leave it on overnight. Often the acne will disappear quickly and without leaving unsightly marks on your face. Lots of people get acne when they are stressed. Stress causes the body to produce the hormone cortisol, which may trigger acne outbreaks. By engaging yourself in activities that you find relaxing, such as deep breathing or yoga, you can greatly decrease your chances of having an acne outbreak. Taking a high-dose vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, supplement every day could reduce acne and improve the overall condition of your skin. Some studies suggest that vitamin B5 can regulate hormones and fatty acids. A build-up of fatty acids in the body can cause sebum to be excreted through pores on the skin, leading to acne, so by taking a supplement that regulates the levels of fatty acids in the body, acne outbreaks should be reduced. Shaving serves as exfoliation and therefore, can be an excellent way of removing dead skin cells. This can help to both prevent acne, and keep it from spreading if a breakout has occurred. Avoid shaving any areas that are sore or infected, however, as this can further irritate the skin. Everybody gets pimples, but the worst thing to do is pop them. Popping zits can leave scarring, redness, or cause swelling. When you pop a pimple, you are just pushing the infection back into the skin, and really making it a lot worse. Be kind to your skin, and no matter how embarrassing it may be, don't pop your pimples. If acne has become a problem, then you may want to realistically start looking at products like Proactive. Proactive works by controlling the pH level of your skin and as such creates an environment inhospitable to bacterial growth. It is important with Proactive, however, to be consistent with its use, as non-routine use results in minimal results. Purifying the blood is a great way to prevent acne breakouts. You can do this naturally by drinking a cup of burdock root tea. Drink this tea 3 times a day and it will increase your blood circulation and purify your blood. This should lead to clearer skin and keep it clear in the future. Exercise can help eliminate unsightly blemishes. Stress is one of the reasons why your skin produces excess oil. Participating in activities that help you feel relaxed will improve the appearance of your skin. Exercise also causes sweat production, which cleans out your pores. If you are struggling to get rid of your acne, try working out. It is very important to stay confident when you have acne. If you are stressing about how your acne makes you look to other people, your acne will only become worse. It is important to recognize the type of person you are and what you are underneath the temporary annoyance of acne. As stated at the beginning of this video, the last thing you want to be worried about as an adult is acne. It can affect anyone and can be terribly embarrassing when you have a breakout. Apply the tips from this video to help control your acne and be on your way to clearer skin. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel and share this with others who might find this helpful.